First of all, I would like to thank as well for the warm welcome that we may be here and what you have done, what has been done for us to support us, to assist us to get to this beautiful country. What I really liked was after entering Ethiopia that we had the opportunity to see the Ethiopian Christmas. So we had so many processions going on in all those small villages and also people celebrating Maria Christus. This was really great to see and we enjoyed it very much. And we also enjoyed the hospitality of the people. We had to stop in Yaleva, I guess. It was also a nice experience. And when we then came to Oromia, it was really the landscape here. It's really great. 2 days ago, we went to the museum here, the Ethnological Museum, which was also a great experience. So it was really fun being here, and I can recommend to everyone to go here and see Oromia.
Hello, yeah, first of all, I do want to thank you very much for the warm welcome here. It's really impressive to see how warm people can treat their visitors. I hope that tourism in Ethiopia will pick up soon, because in Germany, Ethiopia is known as a country with fantastic, beautiful landscapes, with wild life, with friendly people, and it was because of Corona and because of political tensions that this tourism has decreased. But now with the new peace agreement, we all hope not only the Tourism Commission in Ethiopia, but also all the tourist agencies in Germany, that it will pick up soon, because Ethiopia is worth it.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank you for the nice welcome here in your house, in the name of company Overcross, in the name of Joe Küster, and our impressions from Ethiopia are great. The only thing what happened for us on the border in Moyale was that we waited very long time, and the administration in the customs took long time. On the way to Addis Ababa, we had a few interesting points. One accident was we killed a sheep and could find arrangement with the guy who hosted the sheep, and yeah, we find solution, and it was excellent treatment, and the roads and all the other things, we made great experience with the Ethiopian people. Thank you once more for the nice welcome.
Besuchen Sie Oromia. Visit Oromia.
Besuchen Sie Oromia to get your own impressions and experience.
Thank you.
Good.